So hey, what's up people, welcome back to another video. Actually first video. So today I'm gonna teach you how to hack someone's camera. It's basically very easy. We are gonna take the help of a tool called CamPhish, and then it is on GitHub. So it is basically a tool where it will host a website, and then you will provide the link to the target, and he or she maybe click and allow the permission. It is gonna capture all the images from their webcam until they are on that web page, and they are gonna send it to your device directly. So come to this page and then copy the link, and then I'm using Arch Linux, and then you can open the terminal, and then you can type git and then clone, and after that paste the link. I already downloaded it. So after doing this, uh, the directory will be created. So you can do this cd and then CamPhish. After going to this directory, we can do ls, and then we can see a lot of cam files that I have captured, and you have to run this file camfish.sh. So for running this file, you can just type bash camfish.sh. So after running this, it will ask you to choose the options for the tunneling. So I'm gonna choose option 2 because NGRocks asks for credit card and I don't have one. So I'm gonna type 2 and then enter. And it has 3 templates, basically like very common: festival wishing, and then live YouTube, TV, and online meeting. You can also customize this if you know a bit of HTML. Okay, so I'm gonna type like YouTube video. No, festival wish. Okay, so maybe Diwali. So after this, it is gonna start a Cloudflare tunnel, and it's free. So you're gonna copy this link. After copying this link, you're gonna paste it on your browser. After pasting, it will ask the user for their location and their camera. So I don't have a camera in my laptop because I disabled it. So as you can see, I have allowed for the location, and it is gonna show the IP address here, and you can basically track everyone from their IP address. Let me turn on my webcam first. Okay, it is on. So when I put this link again, it is gonna firstly ask me for the location, and then I'm gonna allow. So after some time, you can also see like who have opened the link, and as you can see, I'm gonna type here my name, and it is gonna ask me for my webcam permission, but let me allow it. Okay, let me allow it. When I allow it, you're gonna go to the terminal, and it will show you that, yeah, CamPhish file received. Okay, and I'm gonna turn my camera off now. And after this, you can just do Control C for ending this. And now I'm gonna open my file manager. Uh, my PC is getting slow because of the recording. So after opening this, you're gonna see CamPhish. Oh my god, yeah, yeah. So after this, you can see some of my photos here. So that's basically it. You can hack anyone's camera that easily. Okay, just go to this CamPhish section, and you're gonna see a ton of the images here. Okay, thanks a lot for watching this video. Okay, bye.
Monday left me broken. Tuesday